Hi friends, welcome to Great Indian Cooking. Whoever comes from South India will want to have this sweet. This is so wonderful and delicious. It is ghee Mysore pak. Everybody thinks it is coming from Tamil Nadu. No guys, it is coming from Mysore and pak means sugar syrup. So before we proceed to look, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please share and like my page. The things which we need are three main ingredients: gram flour 1 cup, sugar 1.5 quarter cup, ghee 1 cup. I just gave you three ingredients. That is it to make a sweet? Of course, yes guys. This is going to be very simple. While I'm making, I'll give you tips and tricks which will make your life very easier making this dish. Okay, today I've taken 1 cup of gram flour, and for that 1 cup of measurement I've taken 1.25 cup of sugar and 1 cup of ghee. That is it. So what we're going to first do is we are going to dry roast this gram flour. We just aiming at the raw smell to be out of this gram flour. That is it. No need to change the color of the gram flour, nothing at all guys. You need not concentrate on change of color. It has to be same pale yellow color. That is it. No need to brown or anything. Just dry roast it. No need to add any ghee or anything like that. So just after that I will just sieve it and keep it ready like this. That is it. While the pan is getting heated up to make the sugar syrup, I am going to mix that sieved basin flour along with little bit of ghee. I'll take it in 3/4 and then make it like a smooth paste without any lumps. Now I'm adding sugar to the pan. So before we pour a little bit of water into it to make the sugar syrup, just leave it little bit so that you get the caramelized taste. I'm just adding 1/4 cup of water. That is it. Nicely mix it so that the sugar gets dissolved in the water, and obviously sugar, when it melts, it will become the liquid consistency and it is going to leave the moisture as well. So it is enough that we just pour 1/4 cup of water to it, because we just want to give some moisture for the sugar to dissolve. That is it. Otherwise, if you don't pour the water, what happens is this sugar will get crystallized and become caramelized. We do not want caramel Mysore pak. So we just want the sugar to dissolve in the water which we have added. Nicely stir it so that it doesn't stay at the bottom, and then just take away the sugar which is getting crystallized in the sides and make it as a syrup. While you are making it, what we need to check is the string method I'm following today. So if you open, what is a string means, when you are actually touching the sugar syrup, it will be hot guys, so be very careful. While you're doing it, between your fingers, as I'm doing it, if you're doing it, you will be able to notice a single string. See, there is no string formed right now, so because it's just become a thing. Now if you see one point, the sugar will stick, and now you see that there is one string, light string. That is it. Now we will put the dissolved ghee and the basin which we have dissolved, and we are going to just mix it along with the sugar syrup. While you're doing it itself, you will see there will be white bubbles formed in the corner of the pan. So that is the correct consistency. If you see now, can you see the bubbles forming? So this is the correct consistency. Now at this moment, you just have to take it and put it in a plate or a tray where you have spread ghee in it, and you just have to tap the plate or the tray where you have poured it, and you just have to leave it for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will have to make it into the desired shape which you want to. Now I have applied oil at the bottom so that it doesn't stick. You just have to tap it, or after some time with the ladle you can just make it into small pieces. So when you break it, can you see because it is very soft, right? So this is the correct size and the shape and the softness we require in a Mysore pak. And for more such easy recipes throughout India, please travel with me in my channel. Please subscribe my channel and please like and share and comment your wonderful thoughts.